Say it with me. Good medical morning. I'm Watson, and today we're going to look at some highlights from our main channel, World's Greatest Medical. First, let's take a look at some incredible pimple pops and cysts while I tell you about the channel. Full disclosure, my goal is to convince you to subscribe to that channel today. There's a link in the description below. World's Greatest Medical has over 150,000 subscribers and 123 million views. Adam and I host the channel, and our goal is to grow, to educate, and entertain viewers like you. The page has been online since 2014, and we post new videos every Monday morning. Our most popular video was created in 2017. It focused on trypophobia triggers on animals. Here are a few examples. The video had almost 9 million views. And with 8 million views, our 2019 tonsil stone removal video is also a fan favorite. The channel focuses on dental plaque like this, earwax removal like this, plus the channel has a few cool photos and photoshopped images like these, and extreme pimple pops and cysts. Please click the link below and subscribe. Thanks again for the support, and hit that notification bell for new videos every week. Hey there, Pimple Popper fans! If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.